All right, here's the last one. This is like boba, but for your dogs. Actually, to be more specific, it's like beer for your dogs. Busch, the beer company, wants to pay your dog $20,000 to try its Doggy Beer. Wow. And is having a contest that you can enter, I guess, on social media, Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. You can submit a picture of your dog on social media and follow Busch Beer on whichever platform that you submit your photo for your chance to win. The winner gets $20,000, 10 4-packs of Busch Dog Brew, and an $800 prepaid card to purchase pet insurance for your dog. And I just thought, you got Otis over here. Kirk took his chair today, but you got Otis over here who might just win that contest. You got some photos on social media, right, Will?
Yeah, sure. I'll give it a shot.
Give it a shot. Now, obviously, you're wondering, what are you talking about dog beer? Dogs can't be drinking that beer, can they? Well, actually, yes, you're right. It's not exactly beer. But in fact, they put some thought into it. So if you click through on the or you know what, just search it because you're not going to find the right link. Busch, Busch Dog Brew. Just look that up real quick, and you'll see that what they're actually providing is something your dog might like very much and might actually be good for your dog. No, I'm saying search it on Google.
Oh, sorry.
Just search the term to go to the webpage.
I thought they were going to explain it in here.
Well, no, because I want you to see the webpage, but since it's a beer website, they force you to put your age in, even though it's not, the Dog Brew is not alcoholic, obviously.
What is it, like a supplement for your dog is what you're saying?
Yeah, so it's actually bone broth.
Oh.
It's actually going to be bone broth, and they can drink it. You know, you're chilling outdoors having your beer, I guess, and a dog wants to have a little treat. And you know a dog is going to love some 19.
That's how I get through it.
So you can see you have pork.
Look at this.
Bone broth right here, and it's in a beer can.
That's amazing.
And you get to pour it in the little bowl, and your dog gets a treat when you get a treat. You got to scroll down.
Happy.
There you go.
That dog looks happy.
Busch Dog Brew is an all-natural product, contains only fresh ingredients, made with vegetables, herbs, spices, water, and pork broth to provide your best buddy with a nutritious, tasty snack that helps promote a healthy digestive system. It's also great for dogs who struggle to eat solid food and get their extra nutrients. Here's the ingredients: bone-in pork butt, whole corn, celery, basil, mint, turmeric, ginger, and water. How about that for a treat? What do you say? Well, give Otis a little taste or what?
Yeah, sure. Get him plastered.
No, it's not. No, he's getting plastered. It's nutritious.
Oh, okay.
Nutritious for the dog. I mean, what you do on your own time is completely up to you. But for the Doggy Brew,
Will's just chugging a can of Dog Brew.
Talking about, and you see they have the frequently asked questions.
You can get normal beer, you know.
No. This is pork flavor.
Well, actually, it's a great thing that you just mentioned because it's in the frequently asked questions.
Humans can drink it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Get out.
It's human grade.
Oh yeah.
Busch needs to. We got to get on the horn with Busch.
I'm saying, you scroll down to the FAQ. They say, yeah, many people have tried to drink it.
If they send it, I'll drink one live on Lou later. I'll shotgun it.
You're going to shotgun some
Dog
broth.
Brew. Dog Brew. Dog Brew.
All right.
Me and Otis.